For my next video, I'd like to do one on the secure folder. And this has been around for a little while. This is on, to preface, a Samsung S25 Ultra with One UI 8.5 Beta 3. And there'll be some differences. I know the One UI 8 made some changes in it, but secure folder's been around on all Samsungs for a long time. And it's actually, as a secure, crazy person that I am, it's not something that I really messed with much. So as I'm getting into it and learning at the same time, I've realized how powerful and potent this really is. So let's just go ahead and dive right in, as I like to say. So there's two ways to get to this. There's the easy way and the harder way. So let's do the hard way first. So you go into your settings, security and privacy. Then this is where it gets kind of tricky. It's not more privacy settings, which is at the bottom. It's more security settings, which is kind of funny. They put those like that as being so close to each other. More security or more privacy. So you want more security. And as it says underneath, it's secure folder. So you tap on that, scroll down a little ways, and secure folder. So that's the long way. The easy way, which we'll just clear this out, is to go into your control panel. And if you have it on your control panel, you'll see secure folder. You just tap that and there it is. So kind of a big difference in how fast. But once it's on, I don't see a reason to turn it off and delete all your items that are in it or pull your items out, etc. So basically, I'll just read this to you and explain what it is. It's enhanced privacy. Keep your sensitive apps, not just data, but your apps and data in a separate protected area of your phone. I think that's where they made the change. It was just a secure folder that wasn't just for data. It wasn't for, it was like for pictures, stuff like that. It wasn't actually, you couldn't put apps in it as well. So with this, you can secure all your apps, and you can also hide them from people as well, so you don't even know that that app is on your phone, which I may or may not get into with this video. So I'm going to kind of just touch the surface. I don't want this to go on forever, so I might just do another video on this. But anyway, keep your sensitive apps and data in a separate protected area of your phone. You can set secure folder to hide apps and prevent notifications when it's locked. Enhance your productivity. Add second instances of your app so that you can use them in different contexts. That's cool. So you can have one app, say one gallery for business use and one gallery for home use, and make the home use one locked and invisible. So pretty powerful stuff here. Hide secure folder for the most protection. When you turn off secure folder in the quick panel, the secure folder app icon will be hidden and all apps and data inside will be encrypted for maximum security. So there's a kind of a reason as to why to use the secure folder in the quick panel. It doesn't delete them, it just hides them. So as I said, I'm learning as we go along with this. So there's quite a bit I know about this, but as with anything Samsung, you're always going to be learning something new. And then right when you think you have it all learned, they change it and add more features. So anyway, let's go to continue. And permissions for secure folders. Request permission calendar used to sync calendar data between personal and secure folder calendars and to back up to restore. Contacts and accounts used to sync personal and secure folder contact between personal and secure folder to back up and restore contact data. Photos and videos used to move files between secure folder and your personal apps and to back up and restore files. Music and audio notifications. So we're going to hit continue. And add files easily. It's going faster than I can read. Hide secure folder for the most protection. Move your private pictures and other sensitive files. Lock your apps in secure folder, then access them. Okay, so here we go. I have PIN password pattern, and I'm gonna do a, how about we do a PIN? And of course I'm gonna block this out. And allow lock reset with Samsung account, yes. So there we have it. So with secure folder, you can lock it with PIN, password, pattern, fingerprints, so whatever. I prefer always a PIN. People, and I'm not going to say the name because this could be another video as well. There's certain people that if you get pulled over, they can make you look into your phone. They can make you put your finger on your phone, but they can never make you put a password in or a pattern. So the PIN and the pattern are the two most secure ways on a phone without simply just turning your phone off. So that's a whole nother video. So anyway, I'm going to get sidetracked. So let's go ahead and hit next and choose what happens when secure folder is locked. We can close all apps while locked. Apps in the secure folder will be automatically closed when secure folder is locked. Apps won't be visible and won't send notifications until you unlock secure folder again. Allow background activity. Apps in secure folder will continue running while secure folder is locked. Apps in secure folder will continue sending notifications and may appear in the share panel with others. I'm going to close them. Close all apps while locked. Apps in the secure folder will be automatically closed when the secure folder is locked. Apps won't be visible and won't send notifications until you unlock. So hopefully you can change this later. Okay, change my mind. I am going to allow this. There might be some reasons why you want them to still keep running. But you're still going to have to put your password in to access them anyway, so it's still secure. But this is a personal preference here, so you have to decide. So we're going to hit next, hide secure folder. You can hide and unhide the secure folder app by tapping the secure folder button in the quick panel. Like I showed you, while hidden apps and data inside the secure folder will be encrypted, apps won't be visible and won't send you any notifications. So you can hit hide secure folder for more privacy. Okay, so this is a plus to having a notification as to when you're recording your screen. When I turned on the secure folder, it killed my recording, and I continued talking for about 5 or 10 more minutes to myself. So it's always a good thing to look and see if you're actually recording when you're recording yourself. So anyway, we're going to go back into the secure folder. So secure my recording again. So anyway, I think it has to do when I'm adding and subtracting the apps, it's stopping recording. So as you can see, this is a very powerful addition, feature, whatever you want to call it. So you can hide the apps like I just went over. You can lock and exit. You can hide secure folder, add files. That would be something I would use the most, probably, is files, not necessarily apps, because I use the apps. I want the apps. It's the files that I don't want everybody seeing. So that would be a really pretty neat thing. Another one is customize. This is neat because you have the name of the folder is secure folder. Well, obviously, if somebody gets a hold of your phone, that's going to be the first folder they go to. So you can call this whatever you want. You know, unsecure folder. Won't probably deter a lot of people, but then you can make it as to whatever icon you want as well. And whatever color you want as well. So it doesn't have to look like the most secure thing on your phone, and then that's what they're going to go after. So I'm going to stop there with that, and I'm going to go more in depth on a part 2 with this, because there's a lot of stuff that can be done with this secure folder thing. But this is how to set it up, this is how to use it, and how to make it work. And then there's going to be some tweaks and stuff I want to show you in another video. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.